boycott of food, the blessing to the southern Nigeria. The blockade, it is now the time we give it to them. We are going to give them what they deserve. And it is Operation Boycott Every Food from the North. Do you know when we're, in those days? In those days, why Biafrans, why Southern Nigerians are stronger? They are very, very strong people, We eat right from the backyard. Your mother go to the backyard to get onubo leaf. You don't buy it from the market. You don't buy it. Everybody have onubo at the back of their house. Your mother will just go there, take the onubo and, make the soup, and it is fresh. They go to the market, they buy goat meat, they buy pork meat, they buy all this bush meat, they buy as fridge, the fish. Azu fridge, they call it then. They buy it and make soup. For some of them eat jackie in those days. Of course, this jackie, this donkey, some people eat it, and which comes also from the north. But the message here is that our young men and our young women these days are dying from the poison coming from the northern Nigeria. You have cancer, you develop a lot of kidney problem, and our young men are dying. It was never like this before. It was never like this when our mother go to the evening market to get soup. It was never like this when you can climb oha tree to get oha soup. In our place, there is one they call utrukpa. You just climb the tree, get the utrukpa, and use it to make soup. We eat healthy food. We were strong. You can see it now. This is not because of gym. This is because of what I ate when I was little. The food, local, strong, original African food, they fed me with. But today, Indomie, and the people we call Indomie age, northern Nigeria, they bring poison to you. You buy it with your money. You suffer, you buy, the onions you buy is poison. Tomato is poison. Cow meat is poison. Everything coming from northern Nigeria is poison. They don't even eat it. That is why they have a different kind of disease. You don't see them dying of heart attack or kidney disease. You don't see them dying of cancer. They die from another disease because they don't eat those things they are bringing to you in the southern Nigeria to eat. Boycott it. Let us go back to default, where we used to have onubo, bitter leaf at the back of our house.